The natural world is a stage for an incredible spectacle, a world where animals have evolved astonishing ways to survive. One of the most fascinating survival strategies is camouflage. Camouflage is the art of blending in, of becoming invisible to the untrained eye. It's a game of hide and seek played out on a grand scale with life and death hanging in the balance. From the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, animals have developed remarkable adaptations to disappear into their surroundings. Some animals perfectly match the colors and patterns of their environment, while others have evolved bizarre shapes and textures that render them practically invisible. Camouflage is not just about hiding from predators. It can also be a tool for predators to ambush their unsuspecting prey. One of the most common types of camouflage is color matching. Animals that use color matching have evolved to have the same color or pattern as their surroundings. This type of camouflage is particularly effective for animals that live in environments with relatively uniform backgrounds, such as forests, grasslands, or deserts. For example, the stick insect is a master of color matching. Its slender body and brown or green coloration allow it to blend in seamlessly with twigs and branches. When it remains motionless, it becomes virtually indistinguishable from its surroundings, making it almost impossible for predators to spot. The snowshoe hare and the Arctic fox are two animals that take color matching to an extreme. These animals change their coat color with the seasons. During the summer months, they sport a brown or grayish coat that blends in with the rocks and vegetation. However, as winter approaches, they undergo a remarkable transformation. Their fur gradually turns white, providing them with perfect camouflage against the snowy landscape. This seasonal color change helps them to avoid predators and to stalk their prey more effectively. The snowshoe hare and the Arctic fox are prime examples of how animals have adapted to survive in even the harshest environments. While color matching is an effective camouflage strategy for many animals, it's not always enough. In environments with more complex backgrounds, animals need to break up their outlines to avoid detection. This is where disruptive coloration comes in. Disruptive coloration involves using bold patterns such as stripes, spots, or blotches to break up the animal's outline and make it harder to recognize. These patterns may not necessarily match the animal's surroundings, but they create a confusing visual effect that makes it difficult for predators to distinguish the animal from its surroundings. Section 5. A zebra's stripes, more than just a pretty pattern. The zebra's stripes are perhaps the most iconic example of disruptive coloration. For years, scientists debated the purpose of these striking patterns. Some believed that the stripes helped to confuse predators, while others thought they might play a role in social signaling or regulating body temperature. Recent research suggests that the stripes do indeed serve as a form of camouflage. When zebras are in a herd, their stripes create a dazzling optical illusion, making it difficult for predators to single out an individual. The stripes also help to confuse biting insects, which are less likely to land on a moving target with contrasting patterns. Section 6. Mimicry, the ultimate deception. Camouflage is not always about blending in. Sometimes the best way to avoid becoming someone's lunch is to look like something else entirely. This is the principle behind mimicry, a fascinating adaptation where animals evolve to resemble other animals or even inanimate objects. Mimicry can take many forms. Some animals, such as the leaf insect, perfectly mimic the appearance of plants or other natural objects. Others, known as Batesian mimics, imitate the warning signals of dangerous or poisonous animals. For example, the harmless viceroy butterfly has evolved to resemble the toxic monarch butterfly. Section 7. The viceroy butterfly's clever trick. The viceroy butterfly's mimicry is a remarkable example of how evolution can lead to astonishing adaptations. The monarch butterfly is poisonous to predators, and its bright orange and black wings serve as a warning signal. Birds have learned to associate these colors with danger and avoid eating monarchs. The viceroy butterfly, on the other hand, is perfectly edible. However, its wings bear a striking resemblance to those of the monarch butterfly. This mimicry provides the viceroy butterfly with a significant survival advantage. Predators often mistake it for the poisonous monarch and avoid attacking it. Section 8. Camouflage, a matter of life and death. Camouflage is not just a curious quirk of nature. It's a matter of life and death for many animals. For prey animals, camouflage can mean the difference between becoming a meal and living to see another day. For predators, it can be the key to a successful ambush. The ability to blend in with their surroundings or to deceive predators with mimicry gives animals a crucial advantage in the constant struggle for survival. It's a testament to the power of natural selection, where even the smallest adaptations can have a profound impact on an animal's chances of survival and reproduction. Section 9. The ever-evolving game of hide and seek. The game of hide and seek between predators and prey is an ancient one, and it's constantly evolving. As predators become more adept at detecting their prey, prey animals must evolve ever more sophisticated camouflage strategies to stay one step ahead. This evolutionary arms race has led to some of the most extraordinary adaptations in the natural world, from the chameleon's ability to change color to the cuttlefish's mesmerizing skin displays. The animal kingdom is full of examples of camouflage that continue to amaze and inspire us. As we delve deeper into the secrets of animal camouflage, we gain a greater appreciation for the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth.